Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing King C Gilet's beard trimmer. So this beard trimmer has a lifetime sharp blade, 50 minutes trimming, so it takes like 10 hours to fully charge it, and it trims your hair for 50 minutes. And yeah, and now of course we're gonna unbox it and see what are the things inside it, what you get for this price. It costs only 30 bucks here in Europe, 30 euros, and let's see how good it is and if it is worth your money. So all right, so the first thing you get inside, it's of course the thing that's on the top, it's the manual. So I just realized it that it's designed by Gillette and powered by Brown. So yeah, so this is the manual, and of course it even shows you how to trim your beard if you didn't already knew it. So let's get into the box and see what we have. So this is a long beard comb. This is like 13 to 21 millimeters. And then we got the power brick. This is the stubble comb. It's 1 millimeter. And of course you get a cleaning brush to clean your trimmer blades. So let's see the trimmer and how it looks. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be, I guess. So this is the trimmer. We already have a comb on it. This is a 3 to 11 millimeter. It's a short beard comb for your beard, and yeah, works. Of course it will work. And yeah, this is it. This is the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, like, share and subscribe. See you till the next time. Bye.